Have you ever looked up at a night sky, crisscrossed by the silent trails of aeroplanes, and wondered about the twinkling lights that adorn their wings and fuselages? These lights are a vital part of aviation, a silent language spoken between pilots and the ground, ensuring safe navigation and preventing collisions. Each light conveys crucial information, guiding pilots through the darkness. From pushback to parking, these lights play a critical role. They ensure order and safety in the boundless sky. Just like ships navigating the seas, aircraft rely on a system of colored lights for basic navigation. These lights, visible from miles away, help pilots determine an aircraft's direction of travel, even in the darkest of nights. This system, known as the tricolor trinity, consists of three essential lights: red, green, and white. On the left wingtip, you'll find the red light, a crimson beacon signifying the aircraft's port side. Conversely, the right wingtip houses the green light, marking the starboard side. The third light in this trinity is the white light, positioned at the tail end of the fuselage. Together, these three lights, red, green, and white, form a universal language understood by pilots worldwide, ensuring safe separation and preventing potential collisions. The use of colored lights, a practice dating back centuries, underscores the enduring power of simple yet effective solutions in ensuring safety and order in the vast expanse of our planet, whether in the air or at sea. While the tricolor navigation lights provide basic directional information, aircraft employ additional lighting systems to enhance visibility and prevent collisions. Among these, the rotating beacon and strobe lights play a crucial role. Typically located on the top or bottom of the fuselage, the rotating beacon casts a powerful beam visible from miles away. The rotating beacon serves as an immediate attention getter, alerting pilots to the presence of other aircraft, particularly in low visibility conditions. Supplementing the beacon are the strobe lights, high-intensity white lights located on the wingtips or tail. These lights flash rapidly, creating a pulsating effect that cuts through darkness and haze. Together, the rotating beacon and strobe lights form an integral part of the aircraft's anti-collision system. Their powerful beams and flashing patterns pierce through darkness and inclement weather, acting as visual sirens, alerting pilots to potential hazards and ensuring safe separation in the congested airspace. As an aircraft descends from the darkness and prepares to land, a new set of lights illuminate the runway ahead. Landing lights, incredibly powerful beams located on the wings or nose gear, provide essential illumination during the crucial landing phase. These lights, often so bright they can be momentarily blinding, illuminate the runway, allowing pilots to clearly see the tarmac and make precise adjustments during touchdown. Once safely on the ground, another set of lights, the taxi lights, takes over. Located on the nose gear or front of the wings, taxi lights are less intense than landing lights, providing a focused beam that illuminates the taxiway. Each phase of flight, from cruising altitude to touchdown to taxiing, demands specific lighting requirements, ensuring optimal visibility and safe operations. These lights, working in tandem with ground-based systems, guide the aircraft through the final stages of its journey, ensuring a safe and smooth arrival. While many aircraft lights prioritize safety and navigation, some serve a more subtle yet equally important purpose: branding and recognition. Logo lights, as their name suggests, illuminate the airline's logo, typically located on the tail fin or underside of the fuselage. These lights, often bathed in the airline's signature colors, serve as a powerful branding tool, promoting brand awareness and recognition even in the night sky. Recognition lights, on the other hand, play a more functional role. These lights, usually white or amber, are strategically placed along the fuselage, illuminating the aircraft's contour. This illumination makes it easier for ground crews and air traffic controllers to identify the aircraft type and size, especially in low light conditions. Beyond their primary role in safety and navigation, these lights serve as a canvas for branding and a tool for efficient ground operations. Step inside a modern aircraft cabin and you'll be greeted by a carefully orchestrated lighting scheme designed to enhance passenger comfort and safety. Today's aircraft feature sophisticated LED lighting systems that mimic natural daylight transitions, reducing jet lag and creating a relaxing ambience. These systems adjust based on the time of day, bathing the cabin in warm hues during boarding, shifting to cooler tones during flight, and mimicking a sunset as the aircraft prepares to land. This dynamic lighting helps regulate passengers' circadian rhythms, easing the transition to a new time zone. During an emergency, illuminated strips guide passengers towards exits, while reading lights provide individual illumination without hindering evacuation efforts. The evolution of cabin lighting highlights the passenger-centric approach in modern aircraft design, ensuring a more pleasant and secure flying experience. In the unfortunate event of an emergency, aircraft are equipped with dedicated lighting systems to guide passengers and crew to safety. Emergency lights, independent of the main power supply, activate automatically in critical situations, such as a loss of cabin pressure or an emergency landing. These lights, usually red or white, illuminate escape routes, highlighting exit doors, escape slides, and emergency equipment. Floor proximity lighting, another crucial element of the emergency system, guides passengers towards exits, even in smoke-filled cabins where visibility is limited. The presence of these dedicated emergency lighting systems underscores the critical importance of preparedness in aviation. The future of aircraft lighting is brighter than ever, with advancements in LED technology revolutionizing the way we illuminate the skies. LED lights, known for their energy efficiency, longevity, and design flexibility, are rapidly replacing traditional halogen and incandescent bulbs in aircraft. These lights offer numerous advantages, including reduced weight, lower power consumption, and a wider spectrum of colors, allowing for more dynamic and adaptable lighting schemes. Imagine aircraft with exterior lighting systems that can change color and intensity based on weather conditions, enhancing visibility and safety. Inside the cabin, LED lighting will continue to evolve, creating more immersive and relaxing environments for passengers. Imagine virtual skylights that mimic the natural sky, or personalized lighting zones that cater to individual preferences. The future of aircraft lighting is not just about illuminating the darkness, but about enhancing safety, comfort, and the overall flying experience.